Here's a pair of Bose Quietcomfort headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Pioneer 4K Smart Xumo TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to go is go to the Bluetooth settings on your TV. So you can click on the settings button, the gear icon, if you have this remote right here. If not, just go to the settings on the TV, top left-hand side. Just make sure you're on the home screen here. Click on the home button and then go to the top left-hand side. Just move up right there. It's highlighted, that little gear icon. Click on OK. Now, we have to go to the Bluetooth. Now, I have Bluetooth devices on here, right here, but you're not going to have that on here until you click it once, okay? So you need to go down to Picture and Sound. Click on OK on the remote. And then from here, we're going to go down to Audio Settings. And now we're going to move over to the right. And we're going to go down to Bluetooth Devices. Right there. Find and pair to available devices. And now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and put these in pairing mode now. Let me turn these on first. Only one button here. Let me turn that on. And then once it's on, you'll know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking blue. Mine's not blinking blue. It's a solid blue, because it just said in here that it's connected to my iPhone. So let me put this in pairing mode. Let me go ahead and grab this button here, and let me move over to the right here. Let me move it for a few seconds. What I want is a blue blinking light. Let me let go now. Okay, now it's blinking blue, and something just popped up on my screen here. What do you know? It says Bose QC headphones. So let me go ahead and move over to pair right there. Click on OK. And we got a solid blue light on here indicating that it's connected somewhere. Okay, so it said connected right there. Okay, now if you guys had issues where you couldn't put this in pairing mode, or you couldn't connect it to the TV, you can always factory reset these. I'll show you, look in the link below, I'll show you how to factory reset these. Anyway, these are connected. Now I can watch my YouTube or Netflix or whatnot. And of course the volume will work as well. So I press volume down. You can see right there, it's moving up and down. Anyway, there you guys go. Pretty simple.